Hi everyone. Today JavaScripting first day one. Okay. So why we need JavaScripting in Microsoft Dynamics CRM? We have already business rules, right? So business rules is used for few changes only. Okay, so cosmetic changes purpose we use business rules. For example, field hide, unhide, okay, set a default value, lock, unlock. Okay, these kind of operations we do with the business rules. So if you want to extend the Dynamics 365 functionality beyond out-of-box entity, out-of-box features, then we go with the JavaScript. Okay, for example, form events like on load, on save, on change purpose we use, and the ribbon button actions also we use custom validations purpose also we use javascripting, and auto populating the fields purpose also we use this one. Okay, and provides the runtime information. Actually it provides the runtime events, I mean information. Example, for example, here you see first name and last name. If you enter first name and the last name, the full name should display here. For example, I am entering Kumar Vijay. Okay, so when you hit on full name, automatically Kumar Vijay is displaying because JavaScript is enabled in the backend. Okay, so this is how like it works actually. So how we write JavaScript, I am going to show you. Okay, so first thing is logic we need to understand. First name, last name equal to, it should set into the full name. Okay, we have to get the first name information and last name information, and these two are getting, we are getting first name, last name, and full name equal to we are setting here, this information we are setting here, right? So that is the logic. So let me show write it, that logic. Okay, first name we have to write, and variable, right, we are storing the information in the variables only. First name, first name equal to that information, we have to get it, and variable last name, that information we have to get it, and next full name, right, where full name, where full name first name plus last name, where full name equal to first name plus last name. Okay, so this is the logic, and usually how we write function. So function start with function, right, and by name. Okay, name is like, for example, I want set full name, full name, and we have to enter like this, right, and go open and close bracket and this bracket, and we have to enter like end with this bracket, right? So this is the function structure. So here how we are taking the form information, and what logic, like how we will implement the logic, I am going to show you. Okay, so usually there is a concept like execution context is there. What is that execution context? What is execution context? I will tell you. So execution context means okay. So in the JavaScript, like it will get the, it gives the information about which the form, which the field trigger the event. Okay, it will give the information. So we have to write here execution, execution context. Okay, this is like one kind of a parameter you can think. Okay, and after that, what we have to write? Variable, that execution context variable equal to variable, sorry, form context equal to form context equal to execution context dot get form context. Get form context. Okay, anyway, syntax errors we can later. Okay, get form execution context, get form context. Okay, and you have to open bracket, close bracket, and semicolon. So these are two lines. Okay, so execution context and form context equal to execution context dot get form context. These are two fields are mandatory. Okay, whenever you write that any function, these two lines of code is important. Okay, so purpose of this second line is uh, this will multiple forms it will get it, and also it will make sure that form is working fine or not. Okay, this execution context, this second line. Okay, example, for example, if you think that getting the context form you are working on, okay, which form you are working, you know, this will work. Okay, this will set. Okay, so next anyway we are going to write code for first name and last name. Okay, first name and last name. So how we are going to take first name and last name variables, I will say, tell you. Okay, form context, first name equal to this form context dot get attribute, dot get attribute. If you type it automatically it will come attribute. So we are getting it, and here first name schema name we have to give. Similarly I am writing first name, but we have to take the schema names. I will take it later. And get value, get value dot get value. Okay, and get value, open bracket, close bracket, and semicolon. And similarly last name also same, copy paste it. Okay, here last name we have to put last name, and here also we have to write first name. That anyway that I will write later, because schema names we have to write first name, right? So just to, as of now I am giving like this. So this is the logic actually. We are getting and we are storing in the variable first name and last name, and full name we are storing it, right? And after that what we have to do? So there is a logic actually. Okay, there is a logic. Okay, the logic equal to if. Okay, if first name and last name. This is the symbol is for and. Okay, and last name contains data. This is the, okay, this is the logic. If first name and last name contains data, then what it will be doing? it will be setting that information. Okay, so where it will be setting that information, I will tell you. Variable full name equal to this one, right? So variable full name equal to copying and pasting, cut and paste. Okay, variable full name equal to first name, you can take out this one, first name, first name, and plus space semicolon semicolon last name. You can write like this also, right? Last name. Hmm, this is the logic. Okay, and next we can write like this, form context, form context dot get attribute, get attribute. Okay, and next this is the last name, a full name. Okay, as of now I am not writing schema names, and set value, value full name. Okay, so this is the logic, and close the bracket. So anyway, this is a basic idea, and in here I already written the logic. So first I will tell you set function name. Okay, this is the function name, and execution context means this this is a like parameter kind of thing. Okay, this will be executing the context, the form triggers and everything, it will be executing. Okay, so execution context we have written here, and form variable form context, form context is a variable actually. Okay, it will store, form context is a variable, it will store what, it will store, so that events, and also dot get form context. Okay, so that form context it will get and it will store in the form context. Okay, that means it is a uh, mandatory statement that we have to write. Earlier we have a like xrm dot web page web API was there, that was deprecated. In place of xrm dot web API, now execution context came actually. Okay, this two lines of statement, if you want to declare any function, we have to write it. So now variable first name, so what we are getting, form context dot get attribute. Okay, we are getting attribute, and this first name we have to take it. So first name, how we are taking this, this is the schema name. So first what we have to do is we have to install mm, one power pane okay, power pane add-on. So after that we have to take that properties. Okay, that proper, I mean schema names. Anyway, so it is incognito, it won't display, so let me open in another window. Now you can see it here, full name JS practice, and this is the add-on. Okay, power pen add-on. Click on it, and schema name and copy mode. And you can take first name schema name, and you can paste it here. So this is the first name schema name, and you see same schema name, and similarly second name also, last name also have copied and pasted here, and finally this one. Okay, full name also I copied. Okay, and I pasted it here. Okay, first name, last name, and full name schema name, so we have to put it. And now this is the code, right? Copy this code where we have to paste in resources. We have to paste it. Okay, where is that web resources, right? Go to the advanced settings, right? How to go to the advanced settings? Go to this one and advanced settings. Now this screen will display, and select your solution. Where is the solution? This is the solution, and here this is the entity name, full name JavaScript, and then in web resources we have to add it. Okay, add it, and demo full name. Hmm, yeah, and next you can copy and paste it, that same script. And here type it is a JavaScript, JScript is there, and sorry, you have to put in the text editor. Okay, so click OK. So now just copy this demo full name in the notepad or somewhere. Here I am copying it, and this name also, the schema name also we have to copy like this, because we have to search. Okay, now you have to publish it. Once you publish it, save it. So this is web resources, right? We have added web resources, and save it. Okay, done. It's done, and close it. Publish, sorry. Once I publish it, and close it. So now next thing is we have to go to the form, and select this main form, and next, so go to the form properties. This was the old file. Remove it. Now I am adding my file. Okay, my file name is, I already saved it. This one, demo full name. Copy this web resource file name and search it. So this extension should be there so that it will be easily find out. Okay, search it, and add it. Now I have added it. Okay, and the next thing is, here events are there. Okay, so for example, if you select form, on load is there, and on save is also there. That means on load means whenever the form is loaded, the function will be triggered. whenever the form is saved, the function will be triggered. Okay, so on form level, on load and on save, events are there. Total three events, I will four events I will tell you these two events. And also you select tab level general is there. Okay, well, this is also one event, but we don't use most of the time. And field level also, we have field level on change event is also there. So our event, when it will be triggered, first name, last name, right? Whenever we select to first name, the event will be triggered. So that's why I selected first name on change. Okay, this is a field change. You can say, field change, and add it. And your function name, you have to copy it. So you can directly double click it, and this is the function name, copy. Okay, and you can add that function. Okay, and you have to select this pause execution context as a first parameter. I have added. And similarly, last name also, when you select last name also, this function should trigger on change. It is also on change only. So add the same function, select this pause execution context, click OK, and here also click OK. So now, but if you add unnecessary like events, for example, form on load or form on save, okay, it will be impacted on your application performance, right? So that's why don't need to add them. Okay, whichever you need to trigger that events only you have to add it. Okay, so next, click OK and publish, save and publish it. And save and close, right? And next, here also you can once again you can publish it entity level. It is not mandatory, but better, sometimes changes will not reflect. So now I have published it, and go to the application, and now like just refresh it. First name is Kumar Vijay. So Vijay Kumar is displayed. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is the first name and this is the last name, both it will be combined, and in between space is there. So this is about the populate the full name. Okay, it is a JavaScript. Thank you.